Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I'm Kita and I'm your bestie when it comes to making money online. You guys, it's been a while. It's been almost 2 months since I last made a video. However, I've been doing a lot of live sessions, and if you have been following, you see on the live section of my YouTube, you see that I did almost 30 days, not almost 30 days. I went live for 30 days and I was teaching marketing, I was teaching about money and self-development for 30 days, and it was powerful. Also, you can also notice the new background and everything is shiny. So this is 2024, and let me tell you, this year is my year. I don't know about you, but this year is my year. It's your year. Comment down in the comment section below. So you guys, today's topic, we're going to be talking about how to win in 2024. Of course, my initial thought was to do a how to set your goal, whatever, for 2024, but I already did a live session on that, which you can actually check out in my live section. I decided, you know what, let me talk about the 3 most important things that you need to win in 2024. These 3 things are what I did that completely changed my life. So around July, I went on a 6-month monk mode, total focus. I don't know what to call it, but I was like, walk. I must win. And I won. You guys, I did everything I said I was going to do. Within those 6 months, I built 2 new businesses. Hello. Got customers. I did a lot of incredible things. I don't want to list them out, so you'll not be feeling. Actually, I don't even care. Anyways, I decided that, you know what, let me just share some of the most important tips that I used to completely triple my income. So as at June, because I was no longer freelancing, all I did was just WhatsApp influencing and building my community. So at June, I'd made about 1.6 million from WhatsApp, which you will also see. I did a live series also where I talked about how to make money on WhatsApp, so you find it in the live session below. We had made like 1.6 million on WhatsApp by, I think, June, July, and then I completely took that to about 6 million by the end of the year, which is crazy, right? And this year we're looking, actually my goal is so big and I don't even mind dotting it out. My goal is to make at least 50 million naira this year. That's about $50,000. It's very doable, right? And I'm going to be telling you guys the 3 most important things that I'm going to be doing this year that is going to get me everything I want and more, and a lot more. So, are you ready? Get your book and I think a pen. You're going to need that to write out everything I'm going to be sharing in this video. So the first thing that you are going to want to do in this year is have what we call premium audacity. And I've been saying this since 2023, or sharing with my community members. I said what you need to win is premium audacity. What is premium audacity? You just know. You just, like, you don't care what anybody says is the way or how it's supposed to go. You're just audacious, you are bold, you are courageous, you know that you are going to win. The audacity to say I'm going to win no matter what. Like, I can't fail. People tell me a lot. They say, oh Kita, you act like you cannot fail. I can't. I mean, you can call it pride or whatever. I mean, I'm going to make mistakes, obviously, but those mistakes are not going to be total failures, right? So that's why I move like I'm not scared. Like, I'm not scared of failure. Like, a little failure here, a little failure there, it doesn't mean my life is over, right? So I have the audacity to go for the bigger goals, to go for things that are crazy, right? Things that are supposed to scare me. I'm going for it. I don't care what anybody says, right? I have that audacity. Now, this audacity is going to help you reach for bigger goals. And the truth is that if you keep your goals within your limits, you're not going to do much with your life. If you are setting goals like I want to make 500k, you already did like 200k last year. Like, I want to make 500k this year. What's that? you reach for the moon, right? Worst case scenario, you are going to end up on the stars or something. The stars, the star. You know what I'm talking about, right? You want to be audacious. You want to reach high. Like, you want to dream big. You don't want to cap yourself and let yourself just do the barest minimum. You want that audacity to reach for things that are beyond your current reality. And in one of my videos during MSM, I talked about it. That is how to set crazy goals, right? Which I'm going to link in this video. How to set crazy goals. I talked about reaching high beyond your own current reality, going all out. Like, I want to hit this crazy figure, I want to hit this crazy amount, this is how much I want to make bastard money this year, I want to make mad money this year. That's what you should be going for. Have that audacity to make, and you'd end up doing things that they're so crazy. Like, people will be like, what did you do? That you did that? Yeah, like, they'll be surprised, they'll be marveled by the crazy things that you do. But first, you have to you have to give yourself that permission to aim high, that permission to go all out, that permission to make a lot of money. Because that's how we are going to be. The second thing you are going to want to do or want to have is grit. So the first thing I said was premium audacity. The second is grit, because it is going to get hard. The thing about dragging or reaching for big goals, crazy goals, is that crazy goals are very stressful. It's going to stress your mind, it's going to stress your body, it's going to stress your soul. Like, every part of you is going to get tired, but you're going to persist. Last year, the fact that I'm calling it last year, I survived. It was crazy. I had these big goals that were beyond me. Like, I was reaching for times. I was trying to times do everything I did for 6 months. I was trying to do that in 2 months, which was crazy, right? And I ended up doing it, but it was stressful for my mind, it was stressful for my body. I was working overtime, I was doing the most. I felt like I was going to burn out. I felt like there were times when I just wanted to give up and run away, and I was just right, I feel like giving up, I want to give up, I'm tired, right? But I did not. I was tired, the body was tired, but my mind was strong, and my mind was like, you know what, we are going to persist, we are going to see the end of this, right? Because I want to win. I want to win as bad as I want to win. Like, look at Nigeria, look at this country. It's either you win or you automatically lose. Like, there's no in between. This country is poor. I want you to recognize how poor we are. We're extremely poor. Our economy is in shambles, right? So if you are going to try to win, like, people abroad they're trying to win, right? They're trying to win, and it's hard. Talk less of us in this country. So you have to do the most. You have to be extremely focused. You have to create new habits. You have to make new friends if you have to. You have to change a lot of things about yourself in order for you to achieve goals that you want to achieve in this year, and in order for you to win. You have to win. You have to win. You have to win. Now, certain people in my community, I said the lowest goal anybody should be setting in this community is to make $1 million a year. Like, that's the barest minimum. That's like $1,000. That's how bad our country is. Like, $1 million in 1,000. Right? That should be the lowest goal you should aim for. And you should not even be aiming for that. Go higher. This country. Send my own. You're going to need that grit, that passion, right? And what I would say fuels that grit and that passion is your dream. Like, you have to be able to see that vision, that life that you want. You need to be able to picture it in order for you to be able to create it, right? I know what I want, and what I want is not this. It's not wherever I am right now, which I totally appreciate. This was once my dream, You check my older videos, you see what my backdrop used to look like. So yeah, this maybe 3 years ago, this was my dream. Right now, this is no longer my dream, and it takes a lot of effort for me to reach the new dreams that I have. Right? It takes a lot of grit, a lot of persistence, a lot of discipline, a lot of showing up every day, even when you don't feel like showing up, which is it's pretty hard for a lot of people. But you need that. You need to love yourself enough to want to give yourself the best. And recently, I've been selling my journaling templates, and I think I have the self-love templates, the consistency templates, that there are prompts that you can use to learn more about yourself and push yourself to go towards the right direction. But I have the consistency, the self-love, I have journaling for purpose, I have journaling for self-analysis, right, and self-evaluation. Yeah, I think there are about five, yeah. And the one I want to talk about the most is self-love. It is self-love that will push you to create that grit that you need in order to achieve the goals that you want to achieve. You need to love yourself. You need to be passionate about wanting a better life for yourself. You need to look around you and say, this is not the life I want. I want more. I want something that is beyond this. I want to be able to travel around the world. I don't know what your dreams are. I'm just telling you what me I want, right? You may want a simple life. One of my friends was saying, oh, the simple man wants a simple life. I said, like, what is simple life? What is simple? If you don't get out of your comfort zone, no, you need to want more. And I know it sounds crazy, like, it's too greedy. You should not want to do that. You need to want more. You need to want more for yourself. Like, enjoyment in this world. Enjoyment in this world. See, once you see it, you cannot see it. There's enjoyment, and that enjoyment is fueled by money. That grit is going to come from you loving yourself enough to want the best for yourself. I want designer items. 29. I don't know if it's like it, but jeez, I want designer items. I want to travel around the world. I want to attend all the crazy things that I want to meet. I want to do great things. I want to win. I want to win. And that's how you want. You must want to win for you to win. You guys. Final thing on my list is what I call leverage. So I said you must have premium audacity, because premium audacity is what is going to push you to set those big goals, right? And then you must have grit. Grit is what is going to help you do the actions that you need in order to achieve those big goals. And the final thing that you need is leverage. You can work hard and work as hard as you want, but without leverage, it's going to look like you are doing the most and getting no results. Leverage is what makes the difference. There are 3 different types of leverage. I'll be talking about 2, and the first one is content. The second one is capital, right? And the reason why I'm talking about these 2 different types of leverage is because they make a lot of difference, right? Capital, with money, you can make more money, right? And it depends on the way you use that money. A lot of people take their capital and they mismanage it, and I was a lot of people in 2021 and 2022. And maybe sometimes last month I might have spent a little too much, but it's fine. But yeah, capital, if used wisely, can make you a lot of money. The money that you have right now can make you a lot of money if you use it wisely. How can you use it wisely? You invest in yourself. You buy yourself more books. You hire mentors. You go for classes. You join cohorts, right? I did all of these things last year, and my income went up. I paid for classes. I did a lot of marketing for my business, and it was because I had money, right? So money makes a huge difference. So you need to make money in order for you to make more money. However, this is the second leverage. If you don't have money yet, what can you do? You can create content. Content is the second leverage that is free for any and everybody. Currently, I have a club called the $1 Million Club, where I have entrepreneurs like me who are crazily ambitious and going for the money, not for the stars. They are aiming high, right? And one of the major things we are all doing is we are creating content, because content can be that leverage you need, that can be that boost that you need to achieve your goals, right? And what do I mean by content can help you achieve more of your goals? Content puts you in the face of more people. And when more people know about you, they know about your business, they can patronize you, right? And if you already have skills, but you don't have the money to market, just create content. Create content, make money, turn that money into more money. Videos here where I talked about marketing, those and those of marketing, where you're not making money online. You want to check out those two videos as well. But these two things I'm talking about, money and content, they will make you more money in 2024 and they will help you win. Imagine saying money will make you, but that's the truth. Money will make you more money and content will help you reach more people, which will eventually make you more. Content you want to create and the kind of content like that actually impacts lives, that changes lives, solves problems, solves emphasis on solves problems. And this is something I've discussed a lot in my newsletter. By the way, I have a paid newsletter where I teach business owners how to make more money, how to run their businesses and become more profitable, right? There'll be details about that in the description box below. In 2024, I know you want to win. I also want to win. And honestly, it's possible. It is very, very possible. All those dreams, all those goals that you set are very possible. And if you don't give up, if you keep pushing, if you keep chasing hard, you are going to win. We are going to win. And by December of 2024, we're going to be counting our blessings, talking about how many things we have achieved. Because I recently did my 2023 recap and OMG, I was amazed. I was like, girl, you did it. And this year, I'm going to also be amazed. I'm going to be surprised. I'm going to be, I did it, right? These 4 things that I've shared with you, I think there are 3 things I've shared with you, right? Talked about premium audacity, I've talked about grit, and finally I talked about leverage. These 3 things will make more money in 2024. And I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be coming out on Sunday. Because one of the things we're going to be doing this year is we're going to be consistent on YouTube. Because I want to make a lot of money, you guys. And I want you guys to also make a lot of money. So I'm going to be out here sharing my tips, sharing everything I know about making money online. So you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.